Hey, it's Robert here from robertcbrown.online. Hope you're having a fabulous day wherever you are in the world today. Now, in today's video, we're talking about the difference between self-esteem and self-worth. And the reason I thought I'd talk about this today is because I come across a lot of people that quite frankly don't really know the difference. And I'm here to explain that to you today because it's a critical difference. Let's first of all talk about self-esteem. Now, self-esteem is something that we can generate on a surface level. In our physical reality, the reactions we get from people, the feelings we get from events we attend, somebody patting us on the back and telling us how great we are, whatever it is, that can boost your self-esteem. But here's the thing, self-esteem needs to be regularly topped up, okay? So it's a reaction to stimulus and the meaning that you attach to the stimulus. The difference between self-esteem and self-worth is self-worth comes from your subconscious, okay? It's more about who you think you are, how you feel about yourself than it is about other people's opinion of you. Why this is a tremendously important difference to recognize is because self-worth cannot be shaken. Self-worth is more of an innate knowing of who you are, where you belong in life, what you can achieve, your true value. It's a knowing of your own true value that doesn't rely on other people propping it up with their opinion. Whereas with self-esteem, it's up there on the surface. It can be affected by what somebody says to you. It can be affected by a poor run of form. Confidence, self-esteem, it's all the same. But self-worth is innate. It's a part of who you are. It's a part of your self-identity. And your self-identity, who you believe you truly are and what you're truly capable of, determines the ceiling of expectation that you set for yourself in life. Effectively, you will make of life exactly what you expect to make of life. Your achievements, the things that you do in life, the things you create, the things you can be proud of, will correlate in some way to what you believe about yourself as a person and your capability. So if you want to be more, do more, have more in life, then you need to go to work on yourself. Because if you grow, then so do your resources, so do your capabilities, so does your ability to create anything that you want to, let's get it right, be, do, have in life, goes through the roof. And the only reason that that is perhaps not happening for you right now is because you are putting self-imposed limitations on yourself. So be aware that confidence and self-esteem is temporary. It needs to be topped up regularly. And if you get too much negative feedback, it's going to take a knock. If you have a poor run of form, it's going to take a knock. You need to work on yourself so that your inner belief about who you are, your true value, your greatness is far bigger than any adversity, any challenge, any problem you face in your day-to-day physical reality. And if you do that, you become unstoppable. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm going to keep it short today. If you like all of this stuff, first and foremost, like the video if you've enjoyed that. That would be doing me a favor and I'd appreciate that. But also subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon so you get notified every time I do another video for you. I normally do a couple a week. And why don't you get over to my website as well, robertcbrown.online, robertcbrown.online, and get involved over there. Become part of the family over there, the community. We're all committed to living a life of personal development and being on that journey for as long as we're on this physical plane, so that we can make a difference in our own lives, but also that of everybody else we come into contact with. And also, just below the video somewhere, I'm going to put a link to my free booklet, which is called The Manifestation manifesto. It's a gift from me to you. And if you want to dig even further, put some work in and start to get some great results in your own life for absolutely free, go check that out and download it today. With that said, I'm going to give you a break and I'll see you next time. Cheers, bye.